Hey guys, one more package for unboxing. Let's take this out. I'm really not sure what this is. It says an adapter, but which adapter? I don't know. So let's dig in and see. Actually, two adapters. Observe precautions for handling electrostatic sensitive devices. Okay. Yeah. This is the nice little adapter I was waiting for. Which I'll have to see how to open. Like this should work. Some screws and stuff. Instructions leaflet and the adapter itself. This is again one of the PCI Express NVMe adapters. You put an NVMe SSD right here and you stick it to a PCI Express port. This one should stay in vertical position like this. The other ones, like the one just I opened recently, let's see. If this is the motherboard, the other ones stay like this. And this is the place for your SSD. On the other side, this one stays vertically like this. And it takes a different position. I'm not quite sure how it works because and how fast it is, because as you can see, the actual connection points are less for this one, so I'm not quite sure how exactly this works. I just saw that it's a different model and ordered one to test it out. And again, it has different size places like 2230, 2242, 2260 and 2280. So it doesn't matter what SSD you have, you can fit any of them in here. Yeah, this one is quite nice, quite small, and I'll test it out. Thank you very much guys for watching. Bye!